Dang, this place looks crazy. Shit. Dang, this is nuts. This place hasn't been touched in years. Dude, this is so sick. Boop, boop, boop. Alright YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a bucket list video. I've been literally wanting to do this ever since I was a kid. We're going to be going to an abandoned water park and try to rip around. This place has been abandoned for about 5 to 6 years, so I'm not too sure what it's going to look like. The abandoned video I made at Walmart did super good, so I'm hoping you guys will like this video as well. But alright guys, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go jump this hill real quick, and then we will make our way over to that water park. Alright, let's hit it. Yes sir, this spot's so much fun. Alright guys, let's make our way over to this water park. Have to hit the grass. I hate the street right here, there's always so many cars. What's up man, how you doing? Ooh, look at that. That's that red vet I feel like I saw not too long ago. So this is it right here, obviously. Dang, this place looks crazy. They still use this parking lot here as like overflow purposes and stuff. Dang, this is nuts. I just don't know if I could bring the bike in there. How do I get in here? Shit. Oh my gosh, guys. We are in the water park. This is crazy. This place hasn't been touched in years. This is nuts, dude. Little lazy river action. Ooh, it's huge holes. Dude, this is so sick. Oh my gosh. Ew, all this sludge. Oh, this looks nasty. Woo! So slippery. I cannot be in here too long though. Police are definitely gonna come. What is over here? Yo, this is sick. The racing slide, they got the little trike right here. So this place opened in 2002 and then closed in 2020, like right when COVID started to happen. Oh no, there's a truck right there. I do not got that much time. What's over here? Boop, boop, boop. Looks like tons of people have already been here though. Graffiti everywhere. This is nuts, dude. I wish I had more time to like actually go in all these spots and stuff, but I don't. These are all the locker rooms, obviously, changing rooms. This is the concession stand right up here. This is probably where you paid and everything. Man, this is so sick though, guys. It's just crazy to see a place that was once so live just be completely destroyed now. Oh no, there's a copper. I'm screwed. That's kind of sick. Oh boy. Not good. Yes, sir. This thing feels so good. What do we got over here? A little golf cart. Some picnic tables. Never seen this here. Oh. This little jump right here, maybe? Stop real quick so I don't get smoked by a car. See, I knew it. I would have been dead. Yo, look at this. I've been over here so many times and never seen this. This is kind of cool. There's like 2 little jumps right here. So you hit that, and then you can go straight into this one. Ooh. Let's hit it this way. Looks like a bunch of crackheads have been back here. Empty beers. Oh my gosh. I hate riding over this bridge. Oh yeah, now the sun's coming out. Feels great out here. It's not too hot in the long sleeve. Let me know what videos you guys want to see this upcoming fall. I want to start doing a lot of trail videos when the leaves start to change, because I feel like that's going to look just crazy. This thing is just cooking. And that's only half of what this thing could do. This is setting 40 horsepower right now. It's actually insane. Like, I couldn't even imagine going on 80. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of the video. If you guys like this type of content, definitely drop a like and drop a sub if you're new. But until next time, peace out.